Our last Chrome extension app is called Visor, and I really like this one because I know I've had students in the past who kind of struggle with tracking reading or staying on the right line, and I think this would be really helpful for them. So how it works is you need to pull up the extension, and it gives you all these different options. And for this article, there's a lot of text, and I need to kind of narrow in or zoom in on what I need to be working on or reading at a time. So you can change how big your bar is to read. I'm gonna make it kind of small just so I can read a couple sentences at a time. You can change the background like colors. Personally, I don't like the different colors, but maybe some students would. You can make it darker a little bit so you can just really focus on what you're reading, and then it goes with you so you can see. And I think this is really helpful so students don't get overwhelmed with everything on their page, but rather kind of take it chunk by chunk. So I think this is really helpful.